First, listen to the conversation.
Hello. Welcome to Green Care Pharmacy. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a prescription from my doctor. Can you fill it for me?
Sure. May I see your prescription?
Of course. Here you go.
I see. This is for amoxicillin 500 milligrams, an antibiotic. Do you have any allergies to medication?
No, I don't think so.
Great. It will take about 10 minutes to prepare. Would you like to wait or would you like to pick it up later?
I'll wait. In the meantime, I have a few questions about over-the-counter medicine.
Of course. What do you need?
I have a terrible headache. Can you recommend something?
You can try ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Ibuprofen is good for pain and inflammation, while acetaminophen is gentler on the stomach.
Which one is stronger?
Ibuprofen is usually stronger, but it can irritate the stomach if taken on an empty stomach.
I see. How often should I take it?
If you take ibuprofen, you can have one 200 milligrams tablet every 4 to 6 hours. But don't exceed 1,200 milligrams in a day.
Got it. What about cough medicine? I've had a dry cough for days.
You can take a cough suppressant, like dextromethorphan if your cough is dry. But if you have mucus, an expectorant or guaifenesin will help loosen it.
Interesting. Can I take both at the same time?
Yes, many cough syrups contain both. Just check the label to avoid double dosing.
Are there any side effects I should know about?
Yes, ibuprofen may cause stomach pain, dizziness, or nausea. Cough medicine can sometimes cause drowsiness, so avoid driving if you feel sleepy.
That's good to know. Can I take ibuprofen with my blood pressure medicine?
It's best to consult your doctor, but ibuprofen can sometimes increase blood pressure. Acetaminophen is a safer option for pain relief.
Thanks. Also, do you have antihistamines for allergies?
Yes, we have non-drowsy antihistamines like loratadine, and sedating ones like diphenhydramine.
I just need one for a runny nose.
Try loratadine. It works well for seasonal allergies without making you sleepy. Your prescription is ready. Here's your amoxicillin 500 milligrams.
How should I take it?
Take one capsule every 8 hours for 7 days. Finish the full course even if you feel better.
Got it. Can I take it with food?
Yes, it is best taken with food to avoid stomach upset.
How much is the total?
Your insurance covers most of it. You only need to pay $10.99.
Perfect. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit, debit, and cash.
Here's my card.
Here's your receipt. If you have any questions, feel free to call us.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Vocabulary and phrase explanation. Prescription. A written order from a doctor for medicine. Fill a prescription. To get the drugs or medicine that the doctor has written from a pharmacy.
Hi, I have a prescription from my doctor. Can you fill it for me? Hi, I have a prescription from my doctor. Can you fill it for me?
Sure. May I see your prescription? Sure. May I see your prescription? Your prescription is ready. Here's your amoxicillin 500 milligrams. Your prescription is ready. Here's your amoxicillin 500 milligrams.
Over-the-counter medicine. It is OTC medicine. Medicine available without a prescription.
I'll wait. In the meantime, I have a few questions about over-the-counter medicine. I'll wait. In the meantime, I have a few questions about over-the-counter medicine.
Side effects. Unwanted reactions to medicine.
Are there any side effects I should know about? Are there any side effects I should know about?
Allergies. A reaction to substances like pollen, dust, or certain foods that can cause sneezing, itching, or swelling.
Do you have any allergies to medication? Do you have any allergies to medication?
Thanks. Also, do you have antihistamines for allergies? Thanks. Also, do you have antihistamines for allergies?
Seasonal allergies. Allergies that happen at certain times of the year, often due to pollen in the air.
Try loratadine. It works well for seasonal allergies without making you sleepy. Try loratadine. It works well for seasonal allergies without making you sleepy.
Inflammation. Swelling, redness, or pain in the body caused by injury or infection.
Ibuprofen is good for pain and inflammation, while acetaminophen is gentler on the stomach. Ibuprofen is good for pain and inflammation, while acetaminophen is gentler on the stomach.
Irritate the stomach. To cause discomfort or pain in the stomach, often due to medicine or spicy food.
Ibuprofen is usually stronger, but it can irritate the stomach if taken on an empty stomach. Ibuprofen is usually stronger, but it can irritate the stomach if taken on an empty stomach.
Suppressant. A drug or medicine that reduces or stops a symptom such as coughing.
You can take a cough suppressant, like dextromethorphan if your cough is dry. You can take a cough suppressant, like dextromethorphan if your cough is dry.
Pain relief. A medicine or treatment that reduces pain.
Acetaminophen is a safer option for pain relief.
Mucus. A thick fluid produced in the nose and throat, especially during a cold. Loosen. To make something less tight or stiff. For example, an expectorant helps loosen mucus.
But if you have mucus, an expectorant or guaifenesin will help loosen it. But if you have mucus, an expectorant or guaifenesin will help loosen it.
Dizziness. Dizziness is a noun. It means feeling dizzy. Dizzy is an adjective. It means a feeling of being unsteady or lightheaded. Nausea. A sick feeling in the stomach when you think you are going to vomit. Vomit means bring food up from your stomach through your mouth.
Yes, ibuprofen may cause stomach pain, dizziness, or nausea. Yes, ibuprofen may cause stomach pain, dizziness, or nausea.
Drowsiness. Drowsiness is a noun, a state of feeling drowsy. It means sleepy or tired.
Cough medicine can sometimes cause drowsiness, so avoid driving if you feel sleepy. Cough medicine can sometimes cause drowsiness, so avoid driving if you feel sleepy.
Non-drowsy antihistamines. Allergy medicine that does not make you feel sleepy.
Yes, we have non-drowsy antihistamines like loratadine. Yes, we have non-drowsy antihistamines like loratadine.
Sedate. To make someone feel calm or sleepy, often due to medicine.
And sedating ones like diphenhydramine. And sedating ones like diphenhydramine.
Exceed. To go beyond a limit. For example, do not exceed 1,200 milligram per day.
But don't exceed 1,200 milligrams in a day. But don't exceed 1,200 milligrams in a day.
Insurance. A service that helps pay for medical costs, including medicine.
Your insurance covers most of it. Your insurance covers most of it.
Debit. A type of payment which directly deducts money from a bank account. For example, would you like to pay with debit or credit?
Yes, we accept credit, debit, and cash. Yes, we accept credit, debit, and cash.
Role play the conversation with a partner and act as either the customer or pharmacist. Try to record yourself speaking. Comment below what was the most useful phrase you learned today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning conversations. See you in the next lesson.